Hi, today we are going to train your English voice using the modal verb should. Should is used to give advice or express an obligation. An obligation is an act or something that you should do in a certain situation. Have a look at sentence number 1. In a formal situation, you should shake hands. Now remember, formal is like when you are at work with your colleagues or at a special event or occasion. It is formal. You should shake hands. So that is expressing an obligation, an act that you should do. Sentence 2. If you ask for something, you should say please. Again, that is expressing an obligation. So if I say, can I please have some water? Saying please is the correct thing to do, so it's expressing an obligation. Sentence 3. If a waiter brings you your meal, you should say thank you. Again, it's expressing an obligation, something that you should do in that situation. You should say thank you. Sentence 4. If you are in a dangerous situation, you should be careful. Now this is giving advice. So if you are in a dangerous situation, you should be careful. That's advice. Have a look here. You should bring a jacket with you. It's cold outside. So this is giving advice. It's cold outside, so I'm telling you that you should bring a jacket to keep warm. It's giving advice. You should drink water daily. Again, it is giving you advice. It is healthy to drink water daily. You should do it. I should exercise more often. Okay, that is giving advice to myself. I'm saying what I should do. It is healthy to exercise, and I should exercise more often. Excellent job with the modal verb should. Well done. Goodbye.